Hello, I'm Joanne Turner reporting from Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and I'm talking to Amer Doha from ITALTEL. Amer, welcome. So, network transformation is one of the key strengths as a business for ITALTEL. Perhaps you can tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. Network transformation is one of the competencies of ITALTEL, and it's because of the approach of ITALTEL to network transformation. It's basically made up of three stages. The first stage is the pre-rollout, then we pass to the rollout, and then we have a parallel stage, which is the reporting. So in the pre-rollout stage, we define all the processes and procedures. We define the IT tooling and the governance structure. Then we go to the rollout stage where we implement the governance we put in place in the pre-rollout. We execute the migration through the tooling. We learn and evaluate continuously how is the status of the project. And then we have the reporting, which is of three levels. The first level is the senior executive level. Then we have the middle level and the detailed low-level reporting. Second is thanks to the team. The team usually is made up of a small number of people, highly qualified experts who are living with the customer, listening to the customer and trying to anticipate all the problems of the customer. So those 3 points are the strong points of ITALTEL in the network transformation.
Okay, so perhaps you can start to tell us about one of the projects that you worked on for decommissioning a network.
The last project we were working on is the project in Proximus, where in 2015 we outphased 475 EWSD switches and 75 S12 of Alcatel-Lucent. We are talking about 1.8 PSTN customers migrated to access gateways, whether they are indoor or outdoor access gateways, plus 65,000 ISDN basic access lines and 1,600 primary access ISDN lines. Well, it was quite challenging to do this in 1 year, but luckily we did it. Luckily, and thanks to the organization of ITALTEL.
And why was this a success, this project?
Well, it was a success because, first of all, we need to understand the nature of transformation, a network transformation project. It's a change process. Imagine a generation of technical people or employees who grew up with the technology are going to outphase. So you need to convince them, to make them part of this process. Second is the consultancy approach ITALTEL adopted. Third is the joint governance made up with Proximus to govern the project and proceed with it. And last but not least, not to underestimate any issue you may face. A switch is outphased only when the last number is gone. So all the special cases, all the migrations which don't fall into the processes you defined in the pre-rollout, and you have to think out of the box to find a solution for those issues. So those points were success factors to the Proximus project in 2015.
Okay, and if network operators out there are watching this, what would you say to them, and why would you say complete a project such as this?
Well, it's beneficial basically on the OPEX of the operator. All the aging technologies and many products are out of support now. Think about the consumption of the savings you might have on power, on the monetization of the real estates after the migration. Think of the complexity of the IT systems year over year of the legacy systems. Now with a new generation network or an IMS, you have the chance to clean up all your IT system. What can I think about more is the aging of the employees as well. This is a very sensitive point, but we have to take it in consideration. So I think those are the points which might drive or build up a business case to perform the migration.
Amer, thanks for your time today.
Thanks to you.